beautiful channel. Please subscribe and feel free to share to your friends or family. Let's start! Hello everyone, today I'm going to make this clay photo frame like this. The material you need is Popsicle stick, glue gun. If you don't have a glue gun, you also can use all-purpose glue. And the last material is the decoration. The decoration is up to you guys. I have this because I want to make Christmas stamp. Prepare the sticks, we're going to start. Now let's start. This takes 2 sticks. Now 2 sticks again. Now let's put the glue. Oh, this. Okay, now put this through. Now this. Now let's put here and here. Now the other side. Okay. Now let's put again. Okay. Now we are going to make the standing part. We use 11 sticks. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now let's put the glue. Now, let's put the glue in the other side. Now, let's do like this. Now let's put the glue into the line. We are going to glue again into the line, but please put some little space like this, so the other stick can put on here like this. This. Ta-da! It's ready. Now you can paste it if you want, but if you don't want, it's up to you. Like this. Ta-da! It's ready now. This is my decoration, guys. I hope this video useful for you. Stay creative, stay healthy. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.